Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing how to make money on People per Hour as a beginner. If you're someone who's looking for a reliable way to earn money from home, then this video is definitely for you. So, without any further ado, let's get started. What is People per Hour? For those of you who are new to the platform, People per Hour is a freelance marketplace where businesses can hire talented professionals for various tasks such as writing, graphic designing, web development, and so on. It's a great place to start if you're looking to make some money on the side or even as a full-time freelancer. 1. How to get started on People per Hour. To start earning money on People per Hour, you'll need to create an account on their website. Once you've created your account, you'll need to fill out your profile with your skills, experience, and portfolio. This is crucial because it will help potential clients to know more about you and what you can offer. 2. Finding work on People per Hour. Now that your profile is all set up, it's time to start looking for work. One of the best ways to find work on People per Hour is by browsing through the job listings. You can also create a gig of your own and wait for clients to come to you. 3. Tips for success on People per Hour. To be successful on People per Hour, you need to have good communication skills, be reliable, and deliver quality work on time. It's also important to be responsive to clients and to go the extra mile to make sure that they are satisfied with your work. So, there you have it, folks. Those are the basics of how to make money on People per Hour as a beginner. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to learn more about the best way to make money on People per Hour. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.